Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to scan any document in Samsung Galaxy A17 without downloading any third-party application. So let's start. First, you need to hold your mobile, then tap on this Google folder. From here you will see Drive option, tap on it, and here you will see Scan option. Tap on it and allow it. From here, as you can see, the Google Drive camera will open. Now let's scan our document. So let's say I want to scan this. So there are two options, manual and auto capture. Auto captures your document automatically, but I am capturing it through manually. So as you can see, there is a blue frame in which I want my document in. As you can see it. Now let's take a picture. Now, as you can see, the document picture is now taken and it is in absolutely great size. Now tap on next. So here we have two formats, PDF and JPEG. From here I can also select where to save my file. Now tap on upload. Now as you can see, our document is now completely scanned in PDF folder. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.